بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والصافات صفا.
By those angels lined up in rows.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
And those who drive the clouds.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
And those who recite the message.
إن إلهكم لواحد.
Indeed, your God is one.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما ورب المشارق.
Lord of the heavens and the earth, and that between them, and Lord of the sunrises.
إنا زينا السماء الدنيا بزينة الكواكب.
Indeed, we have adorned the nearest heaven with an adornment of stars.
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد.
And as protection against every rebellious devil.
لا يسمعون إلى الملأ الأعلى ويقذفون من كل جانب.
So they may not listen to the exalted assembly of angels and are pelted from every side.
دحورا ولهم عذاب واصب.
Repelled, and for them is a constant punishment.
إلا من خطف الخطفة فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب.
Except one who snatches some words by theft, but they are pursued by a burning flame, piercing in brightness.
فاستفتهم أهم أشد خلقا أم من خلقنا إنا خلقناهم من طين لازب.
Then inquire of them, O Muhammad, are they a stronger or more difficult creation, or those others we have created? Indeed, we created men from sticky clay.
بل عجبت ويسخرون.
But you wonder while they mock.
وإذا ذكروا لا يذكرون.
And when they are reminded, they remember not.
وإذا رأوا آية يستسخرون.
And when they see a sign, they ridicule.
وقالوا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And say, this is not but obvious magic.
أَإِذَا مِتْنَا وَكُنَّا تُرَابًا وَعِظَامًا أَإِنَّا لَمَبْعُوثُونَ.
When we have died and become dust and bones, are we indeed to be resurrected?
أَوَآبَاؤُنَا الْأَوَّلُونَ.
And our forefathers as well?
قُلْ نَعَمْ وَأَنْتُمْ دَاخِرُونَ.
Say, yes, and you will be rendered contemptible.
فَإِنَّمَا هِيَ زَجْرَةٌ وَاحِدَةٌ فَإِذَا هُمْ يَنظُرُونَ.
It will be only one shout, and at once they will be observing.
وَقَالُوا يَا وَيْلَنَا هَٰذَا يَوْمُ الدِّينِ.
They will say, "Oh, woe to us! This is the day of recompense.
هَٰذَا يَوْمُ الْفَصْلِ الَّذِي كُنتُم بِهِ تُكَذِّبُونَ.
They will be told, "This is the day of judgment which you used to deny."
احشروا الذين ظلموا وأزواجهم وما كانوا يعبدون.
The angels will be ordered, "Gather those who committed wrong, their kinds, and what they used to worship.
من دون الله فاهدوهم إلى صراط الجحيم.
Other than Allah, and guide them to the path of hellfire.
وقفوهم إنهم مسؤولون.
And stop them. Indeed, they are to be questioned.
ما لكم لا تناصرون.
They will be asked, "What is wrong with you? Why do you not help each other?"
بل هم اليوم مستسلمون.
But they, that day, are in surrender.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون.
And they will approach one another blaming each other.
قالوا إنكم كنتم تأتوننا عن اليمين.
They will say, "Indeed, you used to come at us from the right."
قالوا بل لم تكونوا مؤمنين.
The oppressors will say, "Rather, you yourselves were not believers."
وما كان لنا عليكم من سلطان بل كنتم قوما طاغين.
And we had over you no authority, but you were a transgressing people.
فحق علينا قول ربنا إنا لذائقون.
So the word of our Lord has come into effect upon us. Indeed, we will taste punishment.
فأغويناكم إنا كنا غاوين.
And we led you to deviation. Indeed, we were deviators.